San Diego had some insane flooding on Monday, with waters rising up to about 5 feet in a 30-minute to 1 hour period. Unfortunately, this is the location of the shop that I work at. As you can see, all of our vehicles are underwater. Once the raining had stopped and the floodwater had gone away, it was time to check out and see what the damage was. Now, as you can imagine, as soon as we opened the door, we were prepared for an absolute chaotic mess, in which that's exactly what happened. We even had an unexpected oil leak coming from the shop behind us. You can tell how high the water level was by this door, which was about 3.5 feet, causing everything to just float around and destroying anything in its path. Now let's check out the vehicles and see what type of water damage we're dealing with. You can clearly see the water line on every single one of our vehicles, and they are all lifted vans, so this is about 4 feet of water. As we check out the inside of the ambulance, you can clearly see dirty, nasty sewage runoff water inside, and same with the blue van. These floors were brand new, done by a CNC, very expensive, and they are completely ruined. And here we have another 2023 Mercedes, which hasn't been built out yet, but it is completely destroyed inside. Here we have a bus that is fully converted, and luckily the water line stopped right at the flooring, but we are worried about the engine. So now it's all hands on deck to clean up, reorganize the shop, take the vans to the mechanic and figure out the losses, and then figure out the next steps for UDO. If you'd like to support the guys at the shop, I've created a GoFundMe to help with lost wages and materials.